Hey guys, we are doing an unboxing from Louis Vuitton. These are my gorgeous packages from Louis. Um, we have got two SLGs, small leather goods, in yay, beautiful Louis Vuitton box. Isn't that cute? And there. And this is her paperwork here. This is care information, information about Louis Vuitton and your return label in case you need that. And also a gift receipt. So that's what's in the box, and that was the box, and this is the box. Oh, how pretty. We will take this off and find the little kitty inside. I'm not sure which one this is, but it's an SLG. And they come in this cute little Louis Vuitton dust bag. And here she be. There she is, you guys. Isn't that pretty? Gorgeous, gorgeous. Funny story. I bought this from my mom, and she said that she didn't want it when I sent her a picture of it online. And so I sent her the money and told her, said, okay, I'll keep it. So this little beauty now has a home with me. And I love it because it's got the reverse. I love it. I think on any black and silver handbag, in which I love this so much in person now, seeing it, that I may actually, you can see that, actually go online and see what else that they have to go with her. I've got a little black, I've got some ideas for this, but I'll tell you about that later. Let's get to the next one. Let's see where this one was. Let me show you the inside and where it was made. Of course, you get these. If anybody's not told you yet, you just do the QR code on there and you register that with Louis. And Louis Vuitton Paris is stamped on the inside in silver. And the seams look pretty good. And what I'm doing when I do this and I'm holding it up is I'm looking to see if I see any light through it. See how tight the stitchings are. I see some light, but it looks pretty good to me. And that's just if you're being picky. Some people, like the stitching to be super tight. And I'm like, look, I'm not expecting it to hold water. And tight stitching or non-tight stitching, I've never had one of these come apart on me. Now maybe somebody has, and that's that may be why, you know, but I'm not sure about that. But the zipper looks straight and sure and sewn in well. Stitching looks good to me. Yeah, I can imagine the horror of paying what we pay for these items and then having one fall apart on you. And that's why I feel so bad for the people with the Chanel trash bags that have fallen apart. In which, by the way, I can't wait to see somebody do a review on the, what is it, Balenciaga. I'm not sure, but anyway, the new trash bag, designer bag that was released, and it's actually called the trash bag, so you may want to look that up. And it really does look like a trash bag, and I think it's funny because, like my St. Laurent teddy bag and like the Chanel 22. That bag and that trash bag, you know, I'm saying, you know, I ain't laughing at you, I'm laughing with you, because I tell you, I was watching to see what those bags ended up looking like, and the price point on them and all that stuff, and I was like, ooh, if that's anything like my St. Laurent teddy bag, I see where that's going, you know, and that's a lot of money for that to do that. So, yeah, but anyway, so this is the next Louis Vuitton box. And Lord have mercy. What a big old box for a little bitty piece. I love you, Louis. Oh. And you guys, I'm going to have a collection of these magazines. If you've not seen these before, I will show you in just a second, and it's very well packed, as you can see. Get that one out of the way. And here we go, guys. There again, this is your gift receipt. Your information about Louis Vuitton and the history, and your exchange and returns information, and your return label in case you need to do that. And then this is one of the magazines. I love you. Love you, Louis. Thank you very much. You know. So, and now I'm going to have a collection of them. But, you guys, these are beautiful magazines. And they do have a lot of information in them about the new products. So check that out. And let me tell you, I ordered these yesterday afternoon, literally. So, and they came earlier today. Thank you, Louie. So, and I'm not sure if UPS is trying to make up with me or not, but that sure does help. Okay. Oh, how cute. Oh, wait. This is unexpected. I forgot I had ordered this one too. But because I'm trying to get the pieces that I'm pretty sure that they're going up on price increase when they do the price increase, before they do another price increase. And so this, I've already got the GM size, and so, oh, how cute. And I knew it would be, oh, just adorable. That is just cute, cute, cute. And it has LV stamped on on the zipper here. And the zipper actually even impresses my boyfriend on Louis Vuitton, so that's funny, and that's cute. So, but look, guys, it has the shadow leather on the sides, and it does have a little knot there. You can put a D-ring if you want to, and do it crossbody, and carry it as a little crossbody with your flesh shade chain, or if you have any other chain or whatever might go with that, or you can always get one online. It seems to be sewn very well. Stitching and everything looks good. And it is one piece of canvas that goes all the way around. Zipper looks really good. There's nothing wonky about the cut. Bottom is squared nicely. And like I said, the zipper's butter. We've got our cards on the inside, pocket slit. There is one pocket slit. Paris. And it has a leather patch, y'all, that says Louis Vuitton Paris. The inside is a water-resistant coating. I'm not sure if that's leather or what material that is. Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure. I don't think that's leather, but anyway, it has a very good lining that's gonna be water resistant, maybe not waterproof, but maybe a little water resistant. And I purchased this one because I wanted something to put my perfume in. And the perfume that I prefer, and I've not tried any of Louis' perfumes, I want to go in the boutique and do that. That is one thing that I do want to go in the boutique for, is to try on the perfume. There again, just that beautiful gold hardware, and very little vachetta to maintain there on the side. Just a good hand size little piece. It's going to be perfect for my perfume. Hold on just a second, I'll go get it and show you and see. Okay, sorry, I hope I can get that out, but, which may have to do that in a few days, so it may, it takes forever that to upload. So yes, this is my perfume that I prefer. It's a Dollar Divine from Givenchy. And so that fits right in there. So you can understand why I didn't want one, and I do want one of the round bottles But this is what's going to work best for me. Is to put the perfume in this particular little piece. And so that's perfect, guys. That is just perfect. So, I've got some more pieces coming in the next couple of days. We're going to be rocking and rolling and get some more exciting things in. As a matter of fact, today, and I'm on my way, Mama. I'm on my way to take Mama to eat, and so I've got to jet set. And thank you guys for sharing this unboxing with me. And I hope you all have a very blessed day. And I hope you've got some insight if you're looking to make these purchases. I think